closer. I'm not chasing you. I'm just trying to take a video. I don't want any. Oh, Anna, my thing came undone again. My bra strap came undone. I'm not gonna take your crab. Just keep eating it. You got this, dough. Is it alive? Oh my god, it's alive, Anna! It's still alive! Oh, I'm gonna barf! Anna, my bra strap popped off again. You gotta fix that for me. Oh my god, the fucking crab's alive, dude. Do you care? This is fucking nature right now. You want me to kill it for you, friend? It's gonna bite him. You know you're interested. You know you're interested. I'm not gonna eat you. I mean, go closer. I just want to see you take this. Oh my god, the crab is alive. Are you going into the water, dough? See, can you go swim, Anna? Oh my god, I'm gonna throw a rock at your head if you don't fucking acknowledge me talking to you. This is so cool. Don't worry, Henry. I'm just taping you. The crab's in the water. It's gonna run away if you don't quickly eat it. Ew! 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 I feel like there's blood on his... Do crabs bleed? Banana! Anna! I'm gonna throw a goddamn rock at your head if you don't fucking listen to me. I'm walking closer, but quietly, because this is a jungle. You got this, Henry. Crabs are gross anyway. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. Anna! My arm's getting really tired from holding this. I should probably just stop changing, like, ankles. Ew, are you gonna eat its insides? Ew! Ew, Anna, I think it's eating its insides. Ew, I can't watch anymore. That's disgusting. Hey! Hey! No! I'm throwing a rock. I'm stopping this. No! No! This poor crab is getting eaten! Ah! Don't eat the crab! It deserves to live! Swim away! What? I just saved a life. I'm a hero. That's going back. I'm watching you, Henry. I fucking named it Henry. The crab's like dead now, though. He like ate his heart. He's like every man I've ever met. It's going back. Where's the rock? No! Get away, you dumb. There's nobody here. Oh! I don't want to hit it. You know what? I can't stop nature from happening. I'm stopping this.